In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language switch option on Wix using the Wix language switcher button. This feature is incredibly useful for reaching a broader audience by making your site accessible in various languages, ensuring your message is understood globally. Let's get started by going to the Wix website. First, land on the page that's labeled Make Your Site Accessible. This is the initial step in tailoring your website to meet the needs of diverse users. Accessibility isn't just about ease of navigation, it's also about linguistic inclusion. Once you're on the right page, look for the Apps section. Apps within Wix are essential tools that enhance functionality by adding new features which aren't natively part of your site setup. Within the Apps section, click on App Market. Imagine this as a store filled with various tools and features that can boost your website's performance and engagement. With a world of options available, focus on the task at hand by selecting the option for More Apps. This step allows you to browse through a wider selection, ensuring you have access to all necessary functionalities. Next, utilize the search feature to look for Wix Multilingual. This is the key app required for adding multiple languages to your site. The search bar acts as your efficient assistant, filtering through hundreds of options to bring you right where you need to be. Once you've located Wix Multilingual, simply add it to your site. Adding an app might seem daunting, but Wix has streamlined the process to a few clicks, making it user-friendly and straightforward. After adding the app, follow the guided steps to integrate it fully. These prompts are put in place to ensure you leverage the app to its maximum potential, tailoring it to your site's specific needs. Now set your main language. This would typically be the primary language in which the majority of your site is currently built. It's equally important to think about who your primary audience is and start with their preferred language. With your main language set, it's time to add other languages you wish your site to support. When doing so, consider regions where you anticipate the most growth or have an existing audience demand. To further enhance user convenience, enable the auto-translate feature. This function automatically translates site content, saving you the hassle of doing it manually for every piece of content. Another step is customizing your language menu. This involves choosing the design and placement, making it easy and intuitive for visitors to switch between languages. Visibility is crucial, so ensure that this language menu is prominent on your site. A well-designed menu enhances user experience by offering seamless navigation. Finally, test your language switcher to verify everything works smooth as silk. Testing offers insight into user experience and highlights any possible issues that need fixing before your site goes live with this new feature. With these steps completed successfully, you now have a multilingual site ready to captivate a broader audience.